This is the self-cleaning and germ-killing revolving toilet. It will change a typically icky experience into a clean and safe one, especially in the middle of COVID-19. This revolutionary self-cleaning toilet system for public spaces was designed by Sanitronics, a manufacturer of hygienic toilet systems based in Rotterdam in the Netherlands. Built with two revolving toilets, one toilet gets automatically sanitized while the other is in use. Using a high-pressure cleaning with biodegradable soap, the toilet that's rotating into the technical area will be thoroughly cleaned. A soap-filled water blade will transfer over the toilet seat cover and move back and forth to ensure the removal of any dirt, etc. As the toilets are revolving, the clean seats passes by an air blade that's connected to a large air pump. This ensures that the toilet is always completely dry before each use. The revolving toilet is also equipped with multiple sensors that detect if there is anyone in the restroom. Therefore, the rotation system will not start until the space is vacant. The Sanitronics' urinals are also automatically cleaned with biodegradable detergent after each use. Additionally, the walls are also automatically cleaned. This is done with the help of nozzles that spray water and soap along the facade to ensure the removal of all dirt and waste. All urinals are height accessible for tall people as well as children. They are built with flexible design and are available in a unit of 1, 2, 3 urinals or more and come with urinal dividers. This sanitizing system is super efficient, but that's not all. The bathroom floor, which consists of water-permeable black gravel tiles, is also cleaned and sanitized under high pressure, with water and soap as well. After cleaning, the remaining soapy water is drained by the porous floor, which is almost immediately dry and provides optimal grip. The revolving toilet also handles another polluting element on the floor, which is the toilet paper. The floor drainage is also optimal for disposing of waste such as this, as well as other litter that visitors might leave behind after each use. That's all for today, and if you enjoyed this video, please follow or subscribe for more videos like these. I'll see you again very soon.